All right guys, today we're going to discuss how to start your home search. So many times I talk to clients, they don't even know where to begin. Number one, know your budget and understand it. How much are you pre-approved for? If you're buying cash, how much do you want to spend? Understanding your financials is definitely step number one to your real estate home search. Number two, you need to identify where your needs are for your house. How large? How many bedrooms? How many bathrooms? What kind of lock size? Do you need proximity to any local features? All these things are so important. So really go through and figure out what your needs are for the home. Then, number three, find and explore neighborhoods that have the houses that fit your needs within your budget. So do a wide area search and find those neighborhoods that might correspond with a home that fits your budget and fits your needs. And number four, begin narrowing down your searches in those neighborhoods until the perfect house comes along. That is start A to B, how to start your real estate home search.